everybody, hope you all doing fine. I am back with yet another video on Tech Academy. Today in this video I'm gonna guide you through how to create a Rumble account. So if you want to learn how, then keep watching the video till the end, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now, in order to create a Rumble account, first of all you have to tap on Rumble applications. So here in my area the Rumble account is not available, so I'm gonna go to Google and access the browser of Rumble account. But if it is available on your country, then you can surely go ahead and install it from Play Store and do the same procedure as I do here. So need not worry guys, the procedure is all same. So since it is not available in my area, I'm gonna go to Google and access its browser and teach you how to create a Rumble account. Go ahead and type Rumble. Now go ahead and tap on Rumble. See, it says this item is not available in your country. So I'm gonna go tap on second option that says Rumble. It will access its browser on my mobile phone so that I can easily create an account with it. Now you will be entering in this page. You can see sign up in the top right corner, so go ahead and tap on that sign up. Now it will ask you your several informations here in order to register with Rumble. So it says a free account registration, so it means you can register it free. So go ahead and tap all the credentials that has asked. First of all, go ahead and tap on your name. Now after you tap on your name and username, go ahead and tap on a password. So make sure to set a strong password. After you set a strong password for your Rumble account, go ahead and tap on the same password that you typed earlier, that is retype password. So go inside the box of retype password and type your password again. Now go ahead and tap on your email address. Make sure to type on the email address that you have access to, that is your email address. Now again go in the box of retype email address and go ahead and retype your email address in order to confirm it. After you're retyping your email address, go ahead in the box of country, and there are several options available for country, and choose yours. So I've already chosen mine. Now it's time for birthday, so go ahead and tap on your birthday, that is correct birth date. After you're done tapping on your correct birth date, go ahead and you can see here register option. Here are optional fields available. You can fill in the information that has been asked here, but it's optional field, so I'm not gonna do that for now. All these credentials are enough to create a Rumble account for me, so it's your choice. Now all you have to do is tap on register, so go ahead and tap on register. So guys, make sure you check in the box so that you can register your account. Without it, it's not possible to register Rumble account. So you can learn from my mistake and go ahead and tap on register. Now it says please check your email to activate your account to start uploading videos. So go ahead on your Gmail account. All we have to do is please click on the following link to confirm your email address is valid. Click here to activate your account. So go ahead and click here to activate your account. So it says your account has been successfully verified. So that's it guys. Now you can enjoy all the features of Rumble. So this is how we can easily create a Rumble account. I hope the video was helpful. If it was, then go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment section if you have a comment or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial like this. Goodbye till then.